Hey viewers, welcome to UFlyer, your one-stop channel for all kinds of IELTS material and general English. It has been often seen that IELTS aspirants find it difficult to write thesis statement for IELTS Writing Task 2. Today we are going to discuss, firstly, thesis statement, secondly, where it is required, and lastly, how to write a thesis statement along with suitable examples. For those who are new to the channel, press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from us. Let's get started. First of all, what is a thesis statement? A thesis is an idea put forward for consideration, especially one to be discussed or analyzed. A thesis statement is the most important sentence in IELTS Writing Task 2. It is written in the introduction along with the paraphrase and the outline statement. The thesis statement is the main idea. It is the way the candidate feels about the whole issue in one sentence. It tells the examiner that the candidate has understood the question and that it will lead to a clearer and coherent essay. The thesis statement is the crux of the essay, so it should be simple, crisp, and precisely written. Please note, thesis statement should be written only when your opinion will be asked. Now, how to write a thesis statement? The foremost thing we need to do is to identify the type of question and then look at the action words. For better understanding, let's take an example. In today's job market, it is far more important to have practical skills than theoretical knowledge. In the future, job applications may not need any formal qualifications. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Here in the question, the action words are, do you agree or disagree? This is an opinion-based essay and we have 4 choices with this kind of questions. Firstly, I agree. Secondly, I disagree. Thirdly, I partially agree. And lastly, I partially disagree. If you take our opinion, the safest option is to choose either option 1 or option 2. Choosing option 3 or option 4 is not recommended as it often leads to confusion and unnecessary lengthy essays. However, if you just stick to one opinion, then that leads to a clear and well-argued essay. Now, we will show you how the thesis statement is written for all 4 options. Thesis statement for option 1 or I agree. This essay agrees that in the current scenario of the employment sector, having practical experience is more critical than bookish knowledge, and that in the near future academic qualifications might not have any value in resumes. As you can see, this sentence makes it absolutely clear to the examiner how you feel about the question. The rest of your essay should support this statement. Therefore, we need to tell the examiner whether we agree or disagree, and this will influence our thesis statement. Please note, we should avoid using personal pronouns like I and instead use this essay. Also, we should not copy the question as it is not allowed in IELTS writing tasks. Instead, we need to paraphrase the question statement. Now, thesis statement for I disagree. This essay disagrees that in the present time, having practical experience is more critical than bookish knowledge in the employment sector, and that in the near future educational qualifications might have no value in resumes. Thesis statement for I partially agree. In today's employment scenario, practical expertization is more necessary to get selected than the academic qualifications. It is often argued that the employees may not require any educational degrees to be employed in the future. Here, the essay partially agrees with this opinion. Thesis statement for I partially disagree. In today's professional market, practical experiences have more value than the academic qualifications. It is often argued that the employees may not require any educational degrees to be employed in the future. Here, the essay partially disagrees with this opinion. For your knowledge, we are briefly describing the structure of agree-disagree essays. The introduction consists of 3 parts. Firstly, paraphrasing the question. Secondly, the thesis statement. And finally, the outline statement. The word count can vary from 30 to 50 words. In body paragraph 1, you need to write your first main idea, plus supporting subpoints with explanation and example. Write at least 100 words. In body paragraph 2, you need to write your second main idea, plus supporting subpoints with explanation and example. Here again write at least 100 words. Lastly, in the conclusion part, write the summary of the main ideas and restate your opinion. The final step in the process of planning tasks to IELTS essay is to set out the structure and organize the ideas so that it flows logically from one to the next and finally answer all parts of the question. This is all about thesis statements in an opinion-based essay. Hope you all found the video helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We will meet soon with more informative videos like this. Till then, keep practicing and stay tuned for our next video. Thank you.